Hello everyone, my name is Mir and I'm the founder and CEO of Amazon agency Scale Fortune. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the coolest features on Helium 10. This is a tool called Magnet which you can use for your Amazon listings, for PPC and for keyword research purposes. And this tip can help you increase your sales because the keywords that you will find through this trick will be more relevant, and you can add those keywords into your listing, your title, bullet points, description, a plus content, or maybe in the PPC campaigns. So if you are an Amazon seller, do not miss this video. I'm just going to share how you can use Magnet and how you can use Magnet to find more relevant keywords by using this simple tip that I'm going to share it with you right now. I'm using this tip and trick for like past several years. I'm using Helium 10 for several years. If you are new to Amazon and want to learn Helium 10, I have a 20% discount code for 6 months, 10% discount code as well in the link in the description. You can check that out, and let's jump on to this tip that I'm going to share and you can use to utilize and to help you with your Amazon business. So let's jump onto the screen. Okay guys, so here we are at my screen. So I have this magnet here. Okay, I have opened the magnet on Helium 10. So once you open the magnet, write any keyword. For example, I've wrote garlic press here. So once you write any keyword here, for example, in my case, I have put garlic press. You can see a number of keywords here, like 2,800 filtered keywords, right? So these keywords are not necessarily relevant to garlic press, or it can be generalized in the category like in the kitchen or in journal. So what the tip and trick is about, you can utilize the filters that are given by the Helium 10 tool, which is pretty awesome. You can use all of these filters to um, find the relevancy among your keywords, but I'm just going to tell you about a single filter here which can filter the data for you and make and show you the relevant keywords. But obviously there are more options that you can use. You can use the search volume here, word count and everything. But the most interesting part for me is the exclude and the phrase containing filter. So phrase containing filter will always give you more relevancy. For example, I'm saying that I need press in every keyword, or let's say for more relevancy, I can say garlic in every keyword. So once I click garlic and apply the filter, so from 2,800 it has filtered around 1,000 keywords, right? So for to be more specific, I want to have garlic press, okay, in each keyword. Now let's see how many keywords it filter out. So you can see it filter out 1,000 keywords. So this is just by applying one single filter that is called phrases containing. Okay, so if you apply, like, let's say word count, let's say I want long tail keywords for my PPC, right? Then I'm saying that the minimum word count should be 3, not less than that, and the maximum can be anything. Okay, let's apply the filter and see. Okay, that's not making any difference. I'm saying 4 for the max, so that I can make more precise decisions. Now you can see that 841 filtered keywords. So because garlic press is kind of a more saturated or a high volume keyword, or a niche itself, but that's why it's giving more results even in the filtered column. But if you are more into a sub niche and your keywords do not have like much volume, then you can see this number will go down to like 100 or even sometimes less. But all of them, like 841 filtered keywords, it means that these keywords have uh, those element, like the garlic press element is involved in all those keywords, which means that you can find the relevancy more easily. So if you sort out the search volume from high to low, you can see that the highest keyword that contains the search volume is 2900. But on the other side, when you go and check by removing these filters, you will see that the highest search volume that a keyword is getting is maybe oh sorry, this 7000, but maybe it's more than 100K or maybe 70,000 and above. And that's something that you don't want to compete, because obviously that your budget and everything depends on that. But if you want to target like long tail keywords or keywords with low search volume, so that you can go up to the higher ranks, this filter can do wonders for you. And it's a quick tip, and you can do this thing by using Helium 10 magnet tool. And this is a fantastic feature. I think this can be utilized for your listing, for your PPC campaign, and this can save a lot of your time. And secondly, obviously, there is one more filter that you would love to figure out, which is suggested PPC bid. It's always good to know a suggested or estimated PPC bid and how it is going on with the keywords when it comes to CPC, or generalized bids, so that you can have a more idea about uh, your campaigns and your niche or your category. So super amazing, and I like it too much. You can obviously get this magnet tool by purchasing the platinum plan for Helium 10. If you go for the like diamond, then obviously it opens up more features like keyword sales, and on the black box side, you can get the brand analytics tool feature that was launched by Helium 10 last year. So it's amazing to have such great tools in our market, and this is one of the features that I was looking for as always, and I used it for several years. You can use it too, and this can give you a great benefit in when you launch on Amazon, or if you already have a product on Amazon, or if you are a successful Amazon seller. Yeah, that was it for the video. I hope this was pretty useful for you. Let me know in the comments what kind of videos do you want me to make, and I can make more generalized tips for your Amazon store or for your success on Amazon, so that you can use these tips and tricks to utilize. So thank you so much for watching the video. Hope to see you in the next one.